morning. I'm Dr. Deuk, and I'm here with a patient who just underwent the cervical spine Deuk plasma rhizotomy. This was done yesterday late morning, and you're here less than 24 hours later. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I feel awesome.
It's good to hear. Now, you traveled from Texas to come to Deuk Spine Institute because you had symptoms related to your facet joints. We confirmed the diagnosis with a block, and then you decided to move forward with the Deuk plasma rhizotomy, where we go in using a wand called the Deuk plasma wand, and we destroy the pain nerves that are innervating the facet joints. How do you feel that your symptoms, have they improved?
They improved a lot. I can feel that my posture is a lot better than before. I can stay straight without any effort. My symptoms, I still have some residual symptoms, but most of them are gone. And, the doctor explained that they're gonna go away in time. I haven't felt like this in a long time, in years.
Now, are you taking pain medicine since your surgery?
I haven't taken any pain medicine, although I got some just in case, but it was not needed.
Yeah, the procedure is so mild that you don't need pain medicine afterwards, correct?
Correct.
Had you looked at other options for your spine besides Deuk Spine Institute?
Yes, before I found Dr. Deuk, we investigated for years. So we've been to 9 surgeons, neurosurgeons, and orthopedic surgeons. Everyone was telling me that I need to pull out the discs and put artificial ones. I and my husband did our research and realized those have come with a lot of problems. We refused to do that, although I was still in pain for a long time. Slowly, at some point, we found a YouTube video with Dr. Deuk where he explained the problems with the artificial discs, because we are looking for the artificial discs information. And then we found out that he has different other methods, including the disc repair surgery, which I also did. I felt awesome after it. We felt like, we found God, really, after all these doctors, and nobody could help me. No pain medicine would help me. Easily, I can't express my appreciation for Dr. Deuk, and I hope he's going to take good care of himself and that he can teach other doctors his techniques.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Yes, my son Arias is going to become a neurosurgeon. He'll carry on what I'm doing.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear that.
So I feel God has worked in my life and his life to help people. So we're really very happy about it. Anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
I know it's very hard, but if you see this video, give Dr. Deuk and his clinic a call, or he's offering a free MRI review to let you know what would be the best procedure. So just try it. It's really worth it.
You did it, and you were brave, and you came back, and you got it done. And I'm so happy that you're doing well.
Oh, I love you, Dr. Deuk.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Safe travels.
Thank you.
All right.